Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 19 on our Daniel fast. Yes, and so very soon we are going to end the Daniel fast. So if you have not yet started, please do. So before our recipe, let's look at our Bible verses for day 19. We have Esther 7, Psalm 23 and Psalm 34. We are also going to look at our quote for today, and it reads, "Sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together." Jessica Howell, from the book Hope Through the Dark, written by Samuel Cratton Pepim. And so please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay, so day 19, we are going to have some green salad with some brown rice, coconut oil brown rice. Yes, okay, so we have our coconut oil on fire with some onions in it. And so what I'm going to do is, at this point I'm going to add water to it. Yes, and I'll add my salt, wash my brown rice very well, and then add it to it. As I said, on the Daniel fast, you can't eat this processed rice. You need organic local rice like brown rice. Yes, so while the rice is on fire, we are going to cover and then attend to our green salad. So today is all green, and so I have some bell pepper, green bell pepper with some lettuce, onion, spring onions. I have dandelion, I have parsley and celery in there, apple, and also avocado. Yes, so we are slicing everything. You can choose to have just the green salad without the brown rice, and it's okay. And so I'm just adding everything to my salad spinner, adding salt solution to it. I'm going to add water to it and then spin it to wash it very well. And then after, I will use it to dry it. So I've dried it very well, and I'm going to okay, so we are going to start adding it to our plates. Yes, and start with our garnishing. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so, like and share this video. So I'm adding these onions also to it and some cucumbers. Okay, so I'm taking the cucumber, the part that doesn't look appealing from it, and I'm adding this apple also to it. Try this salad, you will love it. Yes, try it and you are going to love it. And so I've added the cucumbers and my apple and avocado. I'm checking on the rice now. It's getting there. So I'll just cover with a napkin and then lower the fire and give it time for it to simmer very well. Okay, so this is avocado salad dressing. I have the link in the description box, Daniel fast salad dressings. So check it out and then make your own. You can use these mayonnaise and salad dressings in the market. It has to be Daniel fast compliant, so check the description box. So our green salad is ready, and our rice too is getting there. So just a little bit of water on it, and then we are going to cover again, give it time for it to simmer, cook very well, and that will be it. So this is our rice. Yes, okay, so it's ready, and so we are going to serve this now. Please like this video for me, share for me, leave a comment. Okay, so I've dished some of the brown rice and I'm adding my leaves, my vegetables, and my sauce. The sauce is Daniel fast sauce. I have a video there, check it and watch it. And so this is it for day 19. Yes, so if you don't know what Daniel fast is all about, check the description box for a link that discusses Daniel fast and also links for the previous recipe. Thanks so much and have a blessed day. Bye bye.